Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Are you new to Forex trading and don't know where to start? Don't worry, this video will guide you step by step on how to get started as a beginner in the Forex industry. Step number 1. You can pick your writing material. Let's jot some things down. Step number 1. You need to understand what Forex trading is all about. Yes. Now, Forex trading is, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is buying and selling of currencies to profit from price movement. You get? This is what I'm talking about. Buying and selling of currencies to make money or to make profit from price movement. That is what Forex is. This is the currency they are talking about. You know, in Forex, we have many types of currencies. You get? There are many different types of currencies. So you can actually trade different types of currencies, any currencies you want to trade. You get? So in this video, what we are trading here is, you can see the currency we are trading, USD JPY. You can see it here. That is the currency we are trading, selling and buying to make money from price movement. You can see a sell here. I took a sell here. You can see I took a buy here. That is a buy to make money from the price movement. This is a sell to make money or to make profits from this price movement. That is basically what Forex trading is all about. And it is a skill. It's not gambling. It is a skill, because some people mistake trading to gambling. The reason I say it's a skill is because you see all these things that I draw, it signifies something. All these things that I draw, it signifies something. You can see me drawing, marking some things here. All these things that I mark, it signifies something. So that's why I'm saying it's a skill. It's not gambling. So pick that point, because that is step number 1. Now, step number 2, learn the basics first. As a newbie, don't jump to trading. Like, don't rush things. Just learn the basics. Now, what are the basics? You need to understand currency pairs. What are currency pairs? As I was saying, remember I said we have so many types of currency pairs. You need to understand what currency pairs is, the type of currency pairs you need to trade. If you come here in your trading view, if you come to here, you will see we have so many types of currency pairs there. So it depends on the one you want to trade. And so another important thing you must learn as a beginner in the Forex industry is to understand your lot size. When they say lot size is just like knowing how to calculate the amount of money you want to use in buying a particular something, or you want to use in selling a particular something. That is the lot size there. You learn how to to calculate your lot size. Also, you learn how to calculate your pips. Markets move in pips. The Forex market moves in pips. And also your time frame, and also very importantly, very important, your risk management. Risk management is very important. You need to learn it too. So these are the basic things. Time frame. When I say time frame, this is what I mean. If this my chart here now, I analyze this chart using a 1 hour time frame, as you can see, but that time frame is not the only time frame that we have. We have so many other time frames. As you can see, we have 24 hours, we have 8421 to 1 minute time frame. So there are many types of time frame there. We even have a monthly time frame, we even have weekly time frame too. So each of this time frame, what you are seeing here, this market analysis that you are seeing on the screen here, it was analyzed using 1 hour time frame. Share you see 1 hour time frame. That was the time frame that we used to analyze this chart. Each time frame, for instance now, each time frame tells different story in the financial market, in the Forex market. That is what you need to understand about time frame. That's why time frame 2 is important to learn and to understand also as a newbie. So another step number 3. Remember, we just finished with step number 2. Now step number 3 is how to choose a good broker. Always use a regulated broker. And don't forget, very important, start with a demo account. Broker, when we say broker, when you talk about brokers, broker is just like, let me say, a company or a bank, that allow traders to trade, that gives traders a platform to trade. You get? That is what broker is. You don't need to, be confused when you hear broker, what it means. Broker is just like a company that allows you to trade with their platform. That is what broker is. For instance, now we have many types of brokers, but the one that I'm using is Derif. I use Derif and I use Xnest. Those are the two brokers that I use to trade, but there are other brokers too. So that is step number 3, choosing a good broker. Step number 4, demo trading. That is step number 4, demo trading. Trading with your demo account. You know, as a beginner, you don't need to start trading with real money. You don't need to start funding your money. You don't need to start being like, I don't have money, how am I going to start trading? You don't need that. You don't need to have money before you start learning, before you start trading. Knowledge is very, very important. You get, if you understand everything about knowledge, about trading, how to trade, then if you have the knowledge, definitely when money comes, you will definitely know what to do. So you get, that is why it is advisable as a beginner to trade with your demo account. The reason is because you need to train yourself. You don't just jump in trading with your real money so that you won't lose your money. You trade with your demo account, you practice with your demo account. Demo account is a virtual money. You know, it's a MT5 virtual money. It's loaded. It's a virtual money. The money you cannot withdraw. It's just fake money, but you use it to practice. That is demo account. That is step number 4, what you need as a beginner. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is simple trade strategy. Understand simple strategy or learn a simple strategy. Only start with support and resistance or basic price action. Depends. For instance, what you are seeing here in this chart, if you look from my left to my right, let me show you guys something. When they say simple trading strategy, support and resistance is very, very common, because support and resistance, let me say, is just that is, all of us are trading support and resistance irrespective of whatsoever we are trading. What we are trading support and resistance. You learn your support and resistance. For instance, you can see from my left, you can see from this point market buy all the way to this point, but from this point here, you can see market start coming down. From this point now, the market start buying, that is the demand. So this is the kind of what, as a newbie, what you should be learning. This is the kind of setup, a strategy you should be learning. From this point, you can see market move up from this point. Now that low now where market started moving up is your demand. Now from this point now, market started coming down. So you get, market started coming down till you get to that demand zone. From that demand now, you can see what market did. Market start going up again. That is that is the simple strategy I'm talking about. Understanding your support level and your and resistance level. You get. So step number 6, pay attention. Step number 6 is your risk management. Understand your risk never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account size per trade. You get. So this risk management, in my next video, I will use MT5 so that I will explain the risk management, what they are talking about, risking only 2% of your account size per trade. I will explain that in my new video. I don't want this video to be more long. So your risk management, learn and understand your risk management, very, very important as a newbie. You get, as a new trader, just as somebody that is just coming into the industry newly. So now that is step number 6. Step number 7, pay attention. Step number 7 is very, very important, which is your psychology. The psychology matters a lot. You need to understand your psychology. You get, psychology matters. Control fears and greed. Discipline wins in trade. You get, your psychology is when they talk about psychology, it's all about how you think, your mindset. That is what your psychology is all about. How to control, for instance, if you want to trade, how to control your fear, how not to trade with emotions, how to control your greed, how to control your fear. You get, how to control yourself. That is the psychology they are talking about. You need to learn it. So these are the basic steps. You need to succeed as a beginner, as somebody that is just learning Forex trading. So please, in conclusion, Forex trading is a journey, not a shortcut. So you need to learn these steps. You need to take it step by step. You need to learn it step by step. trading is a journey. It's not a shortcut. It's not a get it's not a get quick a get rich quick scheme, how did they call it? So it's not something that you just jump in tomorrow you start making money. You need to learn. It takes time. It needs process. So please, if you like the video, if you like the video and you enjoy the video, please like. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video like this explaining what you need to do as a new trader to succeed, you will always be the first to see my video. So please like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video like this you'll be the first to see. So if you enjoy the video, you know what to do. See you in my next video. Bye.